In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Slack calls quick and easy. We're keeping this simple and practical, so you can jump in, capture your calls cleanly, and stay focused on the conversation. Before we begin, a quick best practice. Always let everyone know you're recording and get their consent. It's courteous and often required by policy. Start by opening Slack and going into the channel or direct message where you want to meet. To host longer, more stable conversations, use a huddle. Look for the huddle control in Slack. Think of it as your lightweight call room. Click to start the huddle and make sure your microphone is connected and levels look good. If you see your voice indicator moving, you're set. Using a huddle keeps the call in one dedicated place, which makes it easier to keep the audio and visuals consistent throughout a longer session. Once you're in the huddle, turn on video so faces and on-camera content are part of what gets captured. You'll find a video icon in the message area or within the huddle controls. Click it to enable your camera. Even if you prefer to stay off camera, knowing where this toggle is gives you control if you decide to appear on screen for demos or explanations. Next, share your screen. Inside the huddle controls, click Share Screen. You'll see options for your entire display, a specific window, or a browser tab. For a clean, distraction-free capture, choose the window or tab that contains your huddle. This keeps the recording focused on the call itself and prevents unrelated notifications or background apps from popping in. If you plan to present slides or a demo, have those open and ready so switching is smooth. A few quick tips to avoid hiccups. On your computer, confirm screen sharing permissions are enabled for Slack. Headphones help prevent echo and keep audio crisp. Close any private documents and turn on Do Not Disturb to silence notifications. If possible, do a brief test call to check volume levels and make sure your shared window is exactly what your audience should see. That's the whole flow. Start your huddle for a reliable, longer call. Click the video icon to bring in your camera when needed, and use Share Screen to present the huddle window or tab so the call is neatly captured from start to finish. With these steps, you'll have a smooth setup that keeps everyone engaged and your recording clean and easy to review later. Thanks for watching and happy calling!